Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're opening One Piece card game OP08 2 Legends. As you can see from the box art, this set centers around Rayleigh and Whitebeard. And the manga rare for this set is the Rayleigh, so let's see if we get lucky and finally pull one manga rare. Let's get started. Here are the packs. Let's get right into it. First pack. I think these are Big Momo's Army, CP0. Then we got a, okay, I think that's a SR. That's I think that's Bonnie in the 8-Head Island costume. First pack, first base SR. Not bad. In CP0, getting the same cards for in the second pack. Jinbei okay, second pack, nothing exciting. Kuma, the robot version. I forgot the name, Seraphim. Katakuri is a kid eating donuts. It's, I think, from Chopper's Kingdom. Let's see. Okay, nice. I think that's a second SR. That's also the robot Hancock, Seraphim. That's why it was S Hancock. So 2 base SR so far. The artwork looks pretty nice. Still waiting to pull my first leader, alt art, or special rare. Let's see if I can get lucky in this box. Gorilla, that's the robot Jinbei. That's leader King. And Katakuri as a kid. I think there's also another Big Momo's Army. That's a lot of characters I can't remember. Basil Hawkins, Ace event card. Pooh. That's Wiper from the Sky Islands. X-Drake. Cool looking Ace and Luffy. Just a regular rare. I think that's Pedro. Seraphim Kuma. Then okay, that's, I think we have an alt art here. Let's see what we, was that alt art? No, it was a carrot. Actually no, it says a regular SR false alarm. So regular carrot. Saw the artwork kind of went through the frame and thought it was a alt art. Okay, cool. 3 female characters. SR so far. Still waiting for the alt art. Oh, okay, this is the secret. Okay, so back-to-back boxes. I pulled this last box. I pulled the Sabo secret rare from OP07, and here OP08. I got the, I guess it looks like a big Mama and Kaido secret rare, the SEC. Looks, the artwork looks very busy, but it looks frightening with a Kaido and Big Mama. Okay, looks cool. Guess I should hopefully get one more regular SR from this box. Not sure how the odds are aligned, if it means no leader alt art if I get the secret. The OP07 box, the secret rare Sabo replace alt art. So I'm guessing that Big Mama Kaido also replace the alt art in this box. Let's see. Hazel Hawkins stage card. Jinbei looks very happy, and a stage card. Looks cool. Base leader Chopper. It's very happy. Another leader, Marco. OT. I think that's a King Rare. Don't remember seeing this in the show. It's a doctor with a chopper. Scope Doctor, Calgara. And we have a rare, a Seraphim Hawkeye. I guess we got SRs and secret rares early. It's a run of very common base and nothing too exciting recent packs. Pretty cool looking Jack. Okay, I think we got 4 more packs left. I'm hoping I get one more SR. And that's a Dawn card with a set of White Beard. And that's Pedro. 3 packs left. Do I at least get one more secret super rare? Calgara base leader and doctor. 2 packs left. Like this. Looks like Jinbei, but not sure. Ulti, Calgara. Then we have a rare. Last pack. Does that mean do we still get anything in the last pack? Let's see. X-Drake event. Then let's see. Okay, at least we got Big Mama base SR. So overall, I guess not bad. I'm not sure how rare the secret rare is since my last box of OP07 I pulled secret rare, and this box also got a secret rare that replaced the alt art. I guess that's a Seraphim Hancock, Bonnie, Carrot, Big Mama, and then our secret rare Big Mama with Kaido. So still hoping to pull alt art leader at some point in my future openings, but thanks for watching my OP08. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye.